Let me show you how you can record anything on your window screen, right? On your desktop screen, laptop, blah, 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 how you can record it. A lot of people has been asking me, how do you make record on your screen? So let me expose the secret to you, right? Let me expose the secret. I have a lot of tools that I use. So I'm going to show you about 3 tools that you can use, right? So let's dive in. So the first thing I'm going to use is, so just come here, click on your search bar, right? Type snipper tools. So not all system that has this one, but if your system do, congratulations, click on it. So here, if you click on it, this one is for photos. For example, maybe if I want to screenshot the entire face or particular place. Let's say I want to screenshot um let's say I want to screenshot something. Let me search for something and I want to screenshot it to show people. So let me just say um checks. So let me connect my network. Okay, for example, let me just show you guys. All right, so let's say if I want to screenshot a random thing, I will just click on new. Then it's going to happen like this. Then you just have to right left click on your system, then drag it to highlight the full face of your system where you want to screenshot. So if, for example, if I want to screenshot this particular one, I will have to, you know, highlight every part of my system, then I will leave it. It's going to come up, right? Then I have it screenshots. So I already have it screenshot already. So what I'm going to do here, I will click here, this place, then I'll to save it. So I will just name it wind face. So it's my window. You see a lot of stuff I have screenshots there, right? So now let's talk about the screen record. So if you want to screen record, so you see snip, they say snipped here. So look at here. This is video. So you click on it. So one record. So once you click on it, the next thing you are going to do is click on new. Then you drag the same way, you left click, all right, then you hold it, you cover the whole face of your computer. So whatever uh things you want to do right now, you can cover the whole face. So now you come here, if your mic is not on, you can decide to choose the mic you want to make use of, right? Then all you just have to do is click on start. So you will be seeing it, it will start counting at here after the count of three. So you see, so you can start, hey, what's up, guys? Today I'll be teaching you guys how to blah blah blah. Then you start doing whatever you want to do. So when you're done, then when you're done recording, you click on stop, right? So once you click on stop, this is it. This is the video, so you can play it. So you see, this is the video, you can play it. Then you can decide to edit it with claim champ, or you save it. So I can save it. So I can decide to save it. Maybe I'll just save it with this and save. So it's already saved. So that is one. So you can use that too. This is inbuilt tools that a lot of people don't know. So I'm just trying to expose this for you so you have the knowledge. So the second one is this particular tools that I use called Flashback Express. So if you don't have, you can search to download the crack one or go to where you can get it. So for now, this is the free version and it starts recording just 2 minutes. 2 minute record limit. That is what this one have. So for example, if you want to record the entire screen, you see it's already picked the entire screen and the entire screen size is this. So you see, if you want a particular place, you can choose this for full screen. You can choose this for anyhow you want it. If you want to customize whatever you want to do, these are the sizes and the qualities. So you see, these are the size and the qualities. So let's say if you decide to choose this, you see it's reduced here, you can see. So the more you do it, the more it's going to be. So if you put it on window, right? It's going to, show all this one here. You get? So this is how it's going to do. So if you double click, it's going to come back. So if you click on start record, don't go premium, just continue recording. It will count down, it will do a countdown, then you start saying, hey, what's up everyone? How you good? How is things? And then when you're done, you click on the red button and you're done. So they say view your record. So if you click here to view your record, see here are the records I've made. You can see months, 1 month ago, 1 month ago. So there are a bunch of record here. So I will just click on cancel. Then the third tools is this one here, split cam. So I'll download it and install it. So I'm going to double click it, wait for it. It's going to open, right? It's going to open. So all you just have to do is either you use this follow come scene or you delete it, right? All right, so but what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click on add. So I'll click on add here. You can use this split camera to go follow your stream, right? So this is it. So you come here, you come to capture display, then here you see capture screen, capture window, capture game. All right, so let's go with the capture screen so it can capture our entire screen. So if you still want to capture web browser, you can do it here, right? So I will just click on this one, capture screen. So you see that my screen is already in this place. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll just come here and click on record. Do you get? So I'll just click on record, then it will start recording. Do you get? So it will start recording, and if you want to take picture, you can still take picture from it. You hear that sound? So you can still take picture from it at the same time. So if you want to pause, you come here, you click on pause, right? So if you want to stop, you click on here, stop, and your video is done. So this is how simple it is to use that. And another thing, one more last one, you can use the OBS to record, right? So you can use the OBS to record. And to do that, all you just have to do is come here, click here. Once you get here, click on this display capture, click on display capture. So you can name it to whichever one because I have one there. So I'm going to name it two. So once you come here, so you are going to select inside here, select automatic, then you select the video source to select it. Just you can leave this one like that and it's going to start capturing. Then you click on OK and you are good to go, right? Make sure you watch this video to the end. If you watch this video to the end, subscribe, like, so that anytime I drop amazing video like this one you are watching, you won't miss out. All right. So